Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube unboxing. And for today's YouTube unboxing, the Google store. I finally went to the Google store. And yeah, I haven't done unboxings in a long while. Well, because I've been too busy with work. You know how that is. Every time months pass by and you don't see me doing unboxings is because I'm too tight with work, you know. But before I do my YouTube unboxing from the Google store, I wanted to share something with you guys. Maybe you guys didn't notice, but Google has this thing right here. It's called Google Fi. I don't know if you can see it. So you scan this and you pick a plan. Yes, you pick a plan. So what this is, Google Fi, Google Wi-Fi or Google Fi. What this is it's like a cell phone service. And they told me that this is better than T-Mobile. I have T-Mobile. But guess what? You could do international calls unlimited for 60 bucks, I believe. So if you go and scan this QR code, you can get started with Google Fi, which is like they use their satellites, not cell phone towers. So you're always gonna have a cell phone signal. It's not 5G. It's something better. It's fiber optic cell phone line. And so yeah, in the back there's really not much. I don't know if you could read that, but yeah. Just scan this with your phone, guys, and well, see which plan you like. I believe there's the $69 plan. There's the $60 plan. And then there's three other lower plans, but you don't want to pay that. I think there's one for $9 is the starting one, but I think the $60 one is the best because the other plans, you don't really get them unlimited, and if you pass over your minutes, you pay an extra $10. Nobody wants that. So get the $60 one, which is I think the highest they got that Google has on their Google cell phone service, and you get yourself unlimited calls internationally, which is what the guy that works at the Google store told me. And that's what I wanted to share on this YouTube episode. But now we're going to get to the good stuff. Just making sure I don't get anything else in here, because I know they gave me a, so my cell phone right now is standing on a paper tripod, you know, which the so the other part of the paper is right here. See, here's instructions. Tells you how to build it. Oh, and by the way, I'm not doing it on this channel, or maybe I could. Maybe I'll create a channel for this, but just let you know, this Tom Ford right here, this smells phenomenal. This is the bomb. Either way, let's get with the unboxing. It's called Tom Ford Lost Cherries. And the other one, I can't barely pronounce it. But anyways, get those colognes from Tom Ford. They're 40 bucks because they're the small size. That's what I buy nowadays, the small size. That way you can test them out. If you like it, you buy the big size. And then right now it is 4 o'clock in the morning the next day. Oh my goodness. So I put this on yesterday and it still smells. And I took a shower a few minutes ago. As you can see, my hair is wet. But ta-da! This is what I got. The Google TV Streamer 4K. barcodes. Supposedly this is better than the one I have in the backyard. Because, well, the one that I had on the older TV that I had here, that then I moved to the living room. But the Samsung TV that's huge does not have the Google operating system, so, well, that was easy. You just pull this tab. Pull the tab, thing comes open. Awesome sauce. Let's see what we get in here though. See if you look inside. Nothing in there. See, Google does everything organized. So this is like a handle, so you could lift out. Nothing in there. Alright, first things first, amigo. Wow, what a nice presentation. Yep. I'm already dropping the controller and I just opened it. What the heck? Anyways, here's the controller in all its glory. I'm surprised that Google's not doing what Samsung's doing with the controllers, that wireless remote control thing. Maybe can you charge it or something? I do not know how to open this bastard. There we go. Oh, it comes with batteries. Put that to the side. I just want to show you. Here's the back button, here's the home button, here's the navigational button. I think this is the OK button. This one has microphone, mute, YouTube, Netflix, volume up, volume down, volume up. I said microphone. I guess that's for like if your favorite app, power on, power off. The microphone is right down there, and that's that light indicator. And this one does not have a thing for the strap, but at the Google store I saw that they had these rubber silicone straps that you can have it, and then you could carry it around on your, in case it falls, it'll be leaning like that. Over here, I'm not sure what that is. This is the sensor thing. Hopefully this is Bluetooth. What else do we get? With this lovely presentation, we also get, here's the USB cable, here's the other stuff. So everybody knows what this stuff is. You know, this is the, I'm surprised it's not USB-C. Come on, Google. We're in 2026. You couldn't add USB-C here. These are the batteries. The Google batteries. I got rechargeable batteries from Energizer either way. Oh, there's the light. Put the cap back on. Here's the cable. Oh, again, USB-A to USB-C. I love the cable. The cable's feels very good quality. But Anchor is the one I always go for. USB-C to USB-C. But for now, I stick with, oh, finally. This is what I was trying to look for. The Google instructions. I always show you guys the instructions. And the warranty card and all that. But I always show you this at the beginning when I open up the packages, but it was all the way at the bottom today. But anyways, this is like instructions on the remote and stuff. It says here, Google TV Streamer, 4K streaming box with voice remote. Let's get started. Plug your Google TV Streamer device into a power outlet and an HDMI port on your TV. Turn on your TV and switch to the input source of your Google TV Streamer plugged into your TV. Put the batteries in your remote. Get the Google Home app and follow the steps on your TV. And if you need help, you could go here. Either way, that reminds me. On the box, I was noticing. On the box, see how it has all these features? You get Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision, the Google TV, HDMI, HD, HDR, 4K, and Google Cast, and these other features. And then you got this like barcode scanning thing here. And now here's what the thing looks like, the actual device, streamer deck, as you would call them nowadays. So here you got Ethernet port, which neither of them of the older models had. The HDMI port, USB-C. And this button, as what the guy told me, this button is for finding your remote. So you press it and it makes your remote beep whenever you lost your phone. And I got this gray color because I like this gray color. It looks nice, as you can see on the box. And yeah, there's really not much else to say. And oh, this gives you free channels. Google has something called Google Free Play, which gives you a bunch of channels like the Baywatch channel and all that. And I think that's pretty cool. And yeah, guys, I got this on sale. Well, not on sale. Google had this. The Google store had this for $100. At Walmart where I work at, it was on sale for $74. And so the guy told me at the Google store we can price match it. So we went to Amazon, we went to other places, and they were like 74-ish. So the guy left it at 74. So I was like, wow, awesome. And that's it. And well, guys, I'm gonna be doing my Parfum videos, like Parfum reviews. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to do more of those, or more of these unboxings, or if you want me to do straight razor, like wet shaving videos, because I'm trying to get into the wet shaving world too, and I see a lot of people doing that. There's a guy that lives here in Miami called Jeremy Fragrance. He does fragrance YouTube videos. I believe he bought the Versace mansion, if I'm not mistaken, but I don't know. I just see him all the time on South Beach on Ocean Drive talking about fragrance this, what fragrance is that. The fragrance that I like is Chanel Boy, which, let me see. I can't seem to find it now. It's one of these. Oh man, these smell so good. I got samples. I got lots and lots of samples. And well, guys, I'm gonna set this up on my TV. And as always, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you want to see more of this YouTube content that I make. Because without you guys, I wouldn't be able to buy all this good stuff that you guys like to watch. Because sometimes you guys like to watch videos of me unboxing things because you want to see what it brings. and then that lets you know whether you want to purchase it or not. Yep. See you in the next one.